Hello, Math Maniacs. Here we have a question about salaries. It says Audrey's biweekly salary is $1,580. What is her gross monthly salary? Now, this question is a little more complicated than it first appears. First, I have to find out, excuse me, her annual salary. So to find her annual salary equals her biweekly salary times the number of pay periods. All right, so here they tell us that her biweekly salary is $1,580. And then biweekly means she gets paid every other week. So if there's 52 weeks in a year, she only gets paid for half of them, so she gets paid for 26 pay periods. Now remember, there's a chart that shows that in our class notebook, okay? All right, so then I'm going to put in my calculator, 1,580 times 26 pay periods, and find that her annual salary is $41,080. So now I'm going to go back up here and see what they were asking me. We need to find her gross monthly salary. Well, how do I find out how much she makes per month? I'm going to take the annual salary and divide it by 12, which is the number of months, to get her monthly salary. Monthly salary. So in other words, I take 41,080, divide that by 12, and I find that each month she brings home, well, this is her gross, so this is how much she actually earns, $3,423.33. Alrighty, hope that helps.